Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video as I promised earlier this week. And here is the box. Nice big box. So we get into this box in a moment, but we do that after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have the box. Let's open it and see what I have bought. This gotta be interesting. Open it carefully because we don't want to damage the content or the items in this box. So yeah, that was that end, and let's take the next end. Put that away, open it, and let's see what we have here. Protective paper, no necessary to have. Okay, what we have here is the first item. This is ordered from Nordic Preparation, and this is actually a bottle, and I will open it. I have to put this aside for a moment, excuse me, and I'm back. Let's take a look and see how this bottle look like. Okay, we have a nice beautiful bottle in a nice little pouch for it. So I hope I can get this out. And yes, this is a nice beautiful bottle made of titanium. Beautiful, isn't it? And we have a decent lid on it. You can screw this on, screwing lid. Very light, and these are really useful. Titanium is very light material, like that. And you have a rubber gasket here to make it watertight, waterproof. But we take that away, and I put this bottle in this later. This feels like it is some kind of neoprene or some similar material. Very nice. Next item. And it comes in this box. And this is actually a mug or a cup. Let's open it and see what we have. Yeah, it is a titanium cup with lid, 450 milliliters. Here it is. Comes in a beautiful, nice net pouch. I like these kind of pouches. Why? Because they are so nice and easy to have. And we have the lid, and we have the cup. we take the plastic off so you guys can see better. And I have a feeling that this video will be a long one. Put that away. Here we have the lid. Beautiful lid. And you have a little loop here, triangular shape, which is nice. So you can lift it, take the lid off if it's hot. So that's really nice. It's well packed, and I like when they pack it well. Take that away, and here is the cup. Very light, very light. And you have the Nordic Preparations logo on the side. And I'm not sponsored by them. I have bought this by my own money, so I'm not sponsored by them at all. Just to make that clear. Next item. Here we have it, another cup with lid, 300 milliliters. I believe it's the same as the larger one, which I expect it is. So it comes also with this beautiful net pouch as well. It has the same type of lid as the larger cup. Here we have it. Beautiful. This is really beautiful. And we take this cup out of this. The same, but a smaller version of the larger. And their logo on the side. So I got this package yesterday, but I didn't have any time to pick it up yesterday, so I picked it up today. And here we are. And now we go to the next item. And what this is a titanium spoon, 225. So we open this and take this out and see how this one looks like. I love these kind of videos. I love unboxing videos. They are so fun to do. And the spoon comes with a nice little protective pouch for it. So we open this one and see how this one looks like. And the spoon looks like this. Beautiful, nice spoon. And it also has a nice angle to it. Really cool. I'm happy with it. So nice protective bag, pouch, and you have their logo on the side as well. We put that spoon in the bag again and put that away. Next item would be this. This is titanium pot and pan, 1,450 milliliters. So we open this and take a look how this one looks like. Put that away. And it comes with the same beautiful net pouch. And we open it and see what we have inside. And this is pretty stretchy material, so this is awesome. I like when it's stretchy because it makes it easier to get it out, get things out. We take the plastic out, and here we have the first pot, and it has its logo, and it has the measurements, how much you need, how much you need to water you need when you cook. So it goes to 300 milliliters. So yeah, it's an awesome little pot, nice little pot. And I think we have, do we have another more? Yes, we have it here. I forgot where I put it, because this is the pan, nice pan. You can fry things. I believe this is for one person, maybe two. It depends on how hungry you are. But it's a very nice, beautiful pan. So you have the larger one here. So you can basically use it like this, store it like this, which is awesome. Also titanium, we put that away for now. We have more things in this box. And I believe that's it. Okay, we have this package. This package is a Ziploc bag. I like Ziploc bags because they are so cool. And here we have Nordic Preparations logo again. And this, I think I let it be as it is, because I don't have I need to figure out how to fix this. But this is actually a titanium wood stove. It looks like this and this. So this is the whole kit I bought earlier this week, and I'm happy with the delivery. It got here quick and fast, so that is awesome. I like it, but the whole kit is expensive. It cost me at least $1,900, so that is a little bit over, maybe $150, $160. I don't know. You can probably convert it by yourself. But anyway, this is awesome to have a compact, nice wood stove. I need to figure out and learn how to put this together. And well, I guess this is it. And I'm sorry the video turned out to be longer than I expected, but it is what it is when you do an unboxing video. But I just want to show you guys what I bought, and this is awesome prepper item. And this is my backup. It will be my backup kit. You know, if my main kit doesn't work for some reason or break, so, and have an extra stove doesn't hurt. I have a BioLite stove, but if that doesn't work, you can use this. So you have one is none, two is one. So, okay guys, I have to end this video now. So take care, stay safe, God bless, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Shadow Scout Swede, out.